ceremony of new agriculturists facilitated by the Philippine Association of Agriculturists Incorporated, Davao Eagle Chapter, in coordination with the Philippine Regulatory Board of Agriculture, Professional Regulation Commission, Region 11. To start with, an invocation to be led by Dr. Joliet Cristina M. Zambrano, the PAA Davao Eagle Chapter Officer, and this will be followed by the singing of the national
and that I impose this obligation
upon myself voluntarily without mental reservation or purpose of evasion. I further solemnly swear that at all times and places I will adhere closely to the ethical professional rules generally accepted by the agriculture profession of the Philippines, and that I will well and faithfully discharge to the best of my ability the duties and obligations incumbent upon a legally authorized agriculturist practitioner.
Incumbent upon myself as a registered and licensed agriculturist.
So help me God.
So help me God.
Please take your seat. Congratulations! Congratulations everybody! Okay, magdiwag na kayo. Mabuhay kayong lahat. Congratulations everyone! On behalf of the Professional Regulatory Board of Agriculture, I am proud to say that you are among the best and brightest in our field. Kasi nakapasa kayo eh. Out of the 10,014 examinees, you are among the 3,423 who successfully passed the 2023 Agriculture Licensure Exam, or the ALE.